So, oh, I've got two in there. Welcome to another episode of my van conversion. This episode is mainly getting the bulkhead wall built and the headliner shelf, and actually both of these were probably the hardest thing that me and dad has done on the build. Really fiddly, lots of measuring, lots of trial and error, but yeah, they're in and they're looking very smart. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So these are the brackets I'm going to use. I'm going to place one on each side to hold the plywood in place, and I'm going to spray paint them black. And this is a contour gauge, which is going to help me get around those little curves and to basically create this template on the cardboard. So this is the cardboard template, and then headliner shelf with the lip. This is made out of 12mm ply, done by Dad. Wow. So this is the carpet, and using this adhesive. So this is the finished product. It's looking amazing. And we've got two brackets which we spray painted black on each side. So we took these out and bolted them in. Yeah, Dad's done an amazing job. What do you think? So, oh, I've got two in there. Yeah, I just thought I'd quickly touch on this because I've been getting a few questions on my Instagram about why I've added in the bulkhead wall. I didn't want to remove any of my seats because I wanted to have 3 seats, and that meant there was no space for me to get between the sort of main the main area and the cab. So I wouldn't be able to get in and out via the cab anyway. And so putting a wall there meant that there was extra insulation, because there's quite a lot of draft that comes through obviously all the windows and the windscreen, and I've actually put in extra insulation boards between the 2 bits of ply, so it's going to be really cozy. And also I just really wanted to make a feature out of the wall, so I'm actually going to be putting something a little bit special on there, if it all goes to plan. So yeah, so that's my reasoning. I think it just depends on what you want to do, but that's what I'm doing. So we just stopped for a little coffee break. This is where we've got to. So we've just attached battens across the side, across, you know what I mean. And now we're going to do vertical ones. So to get these in place here with the joins, we're using a jig. You can see that the screw's gone up there. So here's Dad, hard at work with the jig.
Hello.
So you clamp it in and then drill. go, and your screw goes in there. So using some wood glue first. So get that in place. And what screws are you using?
Oh, these are just M5s, 40mm. They're not the proper ones, but they were.
Supposed to use pocket screws, but these are working fine. This is exactly why I wanted a skylight. Look at a little rainbow in my van. Love it. Wow, good morning from a very sunny day. So today the plan is to finish the bulkhead wall, get the ply on there. I'm planning to ply both sides and put carpet on the side that's going to be in the cab. We've taken the frame out and cut the ply to fit. This is the back of it, which I'm going to now carpet, and we've just screwed that into the framework. So the carpet side is done, and before we put the ply on the other side, I've decided to use my leftover insulation and put them in the gaps just to give it a little bit of extra insulation. May as well use it. So the knife is back. There we go, all insulated. Now we will fit the ply. And this is the finished product. So you've got the headliner shelf in there, and then the wall, there's a bit of ply going on there, but I need to cut out the hatch, so that's not quite done yet. But I will show you what it looks like in the cab. There we go. So the bottom of the headliner shelf carpeted, that side of the wall carpeted, and it goes all the way down. So yeah, looking good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.